Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good
Good
evening.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Okay. So you did the practice of the perimeter sums. Some questions were given for homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Any difficulty in doing that?
No, ma'am.
No one? No, nothing. Yes, Trilokya. Any difficulty?
No, ma'am. It is.
Were given first 4 sums and 1/6 sum. No, all based on perimeter. Right. So today we'll be starting with the area concept. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, get ready with your pen, paper. Okay. Children, see, before we move to these questions, I'll just explain you how do we find the area limit. Okay, not the formula wise. Let's see first with the figures. Now, see, maybe you must have done in your junior classes also to count the squares. Have you done that?
Yes.
Yes, have you done this, counting the squares? Now see, okay. Even if you have not done, let it be. Now see, this is the square shape. There are 4 squares here this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 squares here. Okay, so this is a square, 4 sides. This is 4 centimeter. If I take this as 1 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeters. This is again 4 centimeters, right? So my area of square will be what? Side multiplied by side. This is what you have studied.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Area of a square is given by side into side. Area of a square is given by side multiplied by side. So if side is 4 centimeter, then 4 multiplied by 4 will be 4 fours are 16 centimeters square. Okay, it's always square centimeter because when you are multiplying 4 with 4, your centimeters are also getting multiplied, no? Centimeter into centimeter. So that becomes centimeter square. All right. So there are 4 squares this side and 4 squares this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Right? 4 into 4. And still, if you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, so you can just count all these squares. 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, children? Okay.
Yes.
Hello, say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Please turn on
Yes,
your
ma'am.
yes. Please keep your videos on. Okay. Now let's see here how many squares are here, and we have to see how many squares are there and how much is the colored area. Okay. Find the area of the colored part. No, it's written the area of colored part. So how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right? These are 10 squares. So 10 centimeters square. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
You got it? Coloreds, we just have to count the colored square. We don't have to find the area of the whole big square. It's just the colored squares that we want to count, the area. Okay, so what area of yellow colored shape is 16 square centimeters. Okay. Red colored shape is how much?
10 square centimeters.
10 square centimeters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the very first beginning. Okay, now you will count how much is the area of this blue colored shape?
Ma'am. 10 centimeters square.
Uh,
10 centimeters square.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 centimeters square. Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good beta. Now Harshit will tell me, Harshit, what is the area of green colored shape?
Ma'am, 8.
8. See now, see this is half colored, no? This green part is half colored. So half and half will become 1.
1.
Half and half will become 1.
1.
There are 4 halves, no? So they will become 2 squares. So let's count the complete squares first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are complete squares and this is half. Half and half. 1, this half and this half will make 1 square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this half and this half will make another 1 square.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how much is the area?
8 square centimeters.
It's
8, ma'am.
okay. Then area of gray colored shape. Okay, let's count the area of gray colored shape. Let me take this here. Okay. Now, please count the area of gray colored.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
1 second.
ma'am, it's 4. 4 square centimeters.
4. Okay, let's count the complete squares first. 1, 2, then 3. These two will make 3, then 4. Very good, Neha. Okay, so that's 4 square centimeters. Okay. Who is left now? Who didn't get the turn? Trilokya. Okay. Trilokya, you will tell me the pink area of pink colored shape. Yes. We'll just make the squares here. It's like this. Okay. First tell me.
Ma'am, 9 square centimeters.
We'll check. This is first. Okay, 1, 2. Complete squares are 2. Then 3. Okay.
No,
Then
ma'am, 5
4,
squares.
5, and this is another 6. Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, half and half is 3. Then 4. Then 5. Then 6. Is it?
Yes.
6 square centimeters, right? You get it, Trilokya?
Yes.
So first only count the complete squares. Then half squares you can count afterwards. So these two halves are making 1 square. These two is another 1. These two, these two. Okay. 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 Now tell me one more thing. Now these were some polygons, right? Which were made with line segments, and you had one complete square and some half squares you had, you know. So you were counting. What if you have some curved shape like this, like this, like this? How will you count the area?
Ma'am, we need it. We
Ma'am,
need a grid.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we
ma'am,
need
if
a grid.
it's greater than half, ma'am, if the square is greater than half, then we count it as one full square. When it's less than a half, then we count. Then we don't count it.
Very nice. Very good, Harshit. Okay. Now see, children, here you have to first you have to count the complete squares. So first of all, complete squares you will count, right? And then you will count those squares which are covered more than half. Okay, covered more than half. That also you will count as 1 square. Okay, covered more than half. Which square has been covered more than half, you will count it as 1 square. And the one which is covered less, that you will ignore. Okay, ignore the less covered one. Okay? Ignore the less covered square. Less means less than half. Okay? You get it?
Yes,
More
ma'am.
than half you will count as 1. Less than half you will ignore. And half is always half and half are added. Yes, as we were doing above, half and halves are always added. Half and half makes 1. When two halves are there, they will make 1. And if only one half is there, then that will be 0.5. Okay,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
understood that? So, the square which is covered less than half, you will ignore that. The one which is half more than half covered, that will be counted as a complete square. Okay, now suppose this is some random figure I have made here. Okay, let's count the complete squares in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are 5 complete squares. Okay, now this is less than half, so we will ignore. Now this portion is more than half, so I'll count it. This portion is also more than half, this also I will count. This portion is somewhat finding less than half, so let's ignore. This is also less than half, so we'll ignore. Okay, so how many, what is the area now? All
7.
complete squares and these two also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. You get it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
7 centimeters square. Or you can write it 7 square centimeters. Okay?
Yes.
Normally we write square as like this. You must have seen it at many places. We write square like this. Okay? So writing this way or this way, both are same. Okay, children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you one more like this grid kind of. One second, let me try the grid from here if I can get. No, I'm not getting the grid here.
Ma'am, you can put a square and draw lines in it.
Ah, I think in a square I can draw lines in that.
In shapes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just making like this. Okay, just a rough figure, just to give you a practice of one. So just count this. Oh, 1 second. Just count this one box as one square. Oh, what's happening? Okay, let's ignore this and make another square. You make a square in your notebook and make lines in that. You have a square notebook. If you have a square notebook, that's okay. Okay, so consider one box as one square. Okay, so I'm just making this like this. Okay, so I'm taking this as a flower. Okay, so find the area of this flower and this leaf. Oh, what it came out. So find the area of these two shapes. Now see, let's take this shape first. Okay,
Ma'am, I got the
The
answer.
flower.
okay,
And
this
What
is
level,
shape
ma'am?
1, shape 2. Okay,
Ma'am, I got the answer for shape 1.
Say, ma'am.
tell me what is that?
Ma'am,
And 5.
5 centimeters square. Okay, this is 1 square. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. This you have taken less than half. Okay, Harshit, that's correct. Okay, Trilokya, you tell me
yes.
area of this shape, second number.
Ma'am, 3 square centimeters. Ma'am, can I?
Count 1, 2,
3.5, I think it will be.
3. See, these two are more than half, no? So I'll take it 4. These two shapes you can see they're more than half, no?
Yes.
Yes, so I'm taking it 4. So this is 4 centimeters square, right? Okay.
Yes.
So these were very basic sums which you have already done in your junior classes. So this was just a recap of that. Now we'll come to some statement sums. Okay, beta? I
Okay,
hope
ma'am.
everyone is clear with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Although for homework, I'll give you some of this kind of shapes made in a grid form. Okay. So there you will count the square which is more than half covered. You will count it as a complete square. The one which is less than half covered is, you will ignore it. Okay. But very first thing is that you have to count the number of complete squares. Okay. Let's take up a question now. Now see children, here you observed when we were doing these above sums, we found that area of a square was, we were counting it as side into side, side multiplied by side, right? And same is the case for a rectangle also. But only thing in rectangle is that the length and breadth are of different lengths. Okay. In square, the lengths and breadths are of same lengths. So we call it just side into side. Okay. So area of a rectangle is given as length into the breadth. Right? Yes, children? So this can be written as side square. This can be written as L into B, area of a rectangle. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take a question now. Find the area of a rectangle. Please write down. Find the area of a rectangle whose sides are okay. Let's first take the side 2 centimeter, no, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, please find out the area of a rectangle. Next, I am giving you 2 kilometer and 3 kilometer. Third one, I am giving you 2 meters and 70 centimeters.
Ma'am, statement sums, ma'am.
Not much of statement. Just write the formula and take it. Get your.
Ma'am, statement sum.
What happened? No,
Ma'am,
it's not a statement, sir.
ma'am, statement sum.
Yes. No,
Statement
it's not a statement.
sums. Okay,
sir.
ma'am.
It's not a statement. Sir.
Ma'am, are these statement sums?
What happened?
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Your voice is cracking. Beta, these are not statement sums. It's just a direct sum.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, beta. Now see here, in the first question, both the dimensions are in centimeters. Children, please pay attention. Look here. Look here, Trilokya. See here, the dimensions are centimeters and centimeters. In the second question also, it's kilometer and kilometer. So, you will get your answer only when you have both length and breadth with the same unit. In the third question, the length is 2 meter and the breadth is 70 centimeters. So, what will you do? You will change both the dimensions to one unit. Okay, either you will change both to centimeters or you will change both to meters, whichever you find it convenient. Okay, yes, you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer for first one, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Yes, Neha, tell me the first one.
Ma'am, area of a rectangle is length into breadth, which is 3 centimeter into 4 centimeter,
Very
which
good.
is 12 centimeter.
12 centimeters square. Don't forget to put square.
Okay.
Okay, it's very, very
Ma'am, I got the answer for second one, ma'am.
Very good, Harshit. Tell me.
Ma'am, L into B is equals to 2 into 3.
Yes, 2 kilometers into 3 kilometers, which is equal to how much?
6 kilometers square.
Very good. Okay. Trilokya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, we will make it to.
Centimeters.
You want to make it to centimeters?
Yes.
Okay. So you made 2 meters to centimeters. So how many centimeters is it?
200 centimeters.
200 centimeters. Okay. So now it is 200 centimeters into
70 centimeters.
70 centimeters. So what is the answer?
14,000 square centimeters.
Very good. Good, beta. Okay. So 14,000 centimeters square. Right? So what did you do here? You converted 2 meters to centimeters. So 2 meters is 200 centimeters.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got 14 meters square.
No, not 40.
Ma'am, I got 14 meters square.
No, beta. 14. This is 14,000.
Ma'am,
See, 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 2 meters is 200 centimeters, right? So 200 centimeters into 70 centimeters. All right. You could convert 70 centimeter to meter also. So that would become 0.7 meter. Yes, if you had converted this to meters, then you would have got the in decimal points. Okay, very good, beta. Okay, let's take up. Harshit, it's clear now? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So you can do it either way. Either you can convert meter to centimeter or you can convert centimeter to meter also. Okay. So when you convert it to a bigger unit, you will get your answer in decimal point. Okay, find the area of a square. Find the area of the squares. Okay, whose sides are given to you. Whose sides are, let's take the first
And
one.
this is a statement sum.
No, bache, these are not statement sums. This is just a direct sum. Okay. So find the area of a square whose sides are given as 10 centimeters, another square with side 14 centimeters, another square with side 5 meters. So please find out the area. This is area of a square. In square you have all sides equal.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
My first one.
Yes, Neha, tell me the first one.
Ma'am, area of a square is equal to side into side,
Very
which is
good.
10 into 10, which is 100 centimeters square.
No, 10 into 10 is 100. It's not 10 plus 10. It's 10 into 10. When you
Mama
multiply.
said 100. I said 100.
Okay, you said 100. Okay, I thought it's. Okay, so 100 centimeters square. Always put centimeters square. Okay. Next, Harshit.
Ma'am,
Yes, see. Yes,
ma'am, 14 centimeters. The side into 2.
14 into 14 is how
Into 14, that is 196 square centimeters.
very good. Good, Harshit. Okay, yes, Trilokya, it's your turn now.
Yes, ma'am. Side into side, which is 5 into 5 is 25 square centimeters.
Very good. That's 25 square centimeters.
Mama, it's
Good.
meter.
It's okay. It's meter, so it's meter square. Okay? It's meter, so it's the meter square. Good. Okay. Let's take a statement sum now. Now, Harshit, this will be a statement sum. Okay? The area, please write down the
Okay,
area
ma'am.
of a rectangular garden. The area of a rectangular garden, 50-meter long, is 300 meters square or squares meter, whatever. Find the width of the garden. Find the width of the garden. Okay. The area of a rectangular garden which is 50-meter long. Long means what is given to you? 50-meter long is what? Yes, what is 50 meters, children?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
length. Ma'am, the length of the rectangular garden. Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Now see the area of a rectangular garden, 50 meter long. Now what is 50 meter here? Yes,
Ma'am,
Trilokya. What is let me ask Trilokya. What is 50 meter here?
Length, ma'am.
Very good. So that means the length of the rectangular garden is given to you. Length of garden is given 50 meters. Now, what is the next thing given, Harshit? Harshit, what is the next thing given? Yes, Harshit. Okay, Neha.
Ma'am, the next thing given is the area of garden. Area of the garden.
Area of the garden is given, that is 300 meters square.
Well, yes.
Next, what is the next step, Neha?
Ma'am, the next step is to find the width of the garden.
To find the width. So how we will find the width?
Ma'am,
Area
by
the rectangle is given as length into breadth. We will apply the formula.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, length into the breadth, and
Yes,
then
which is 300 is equal to
hmm,
50 multiplied by width.
breadth.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so breadth will be what? 300 by
50.
50. So 1 0 is here in the denominator, so we can cancel 1 zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
By 6.
Trilokya, are you understanding this?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll cancel 1 0 and now 5 1s are and 5
Five,
6
six.
is 30. So that is 6 and the unit is meter. So that means now the breadth is 6 meters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This implies the breadth of rectangle is, breadth of the garden is 6 meters. Okay. And if you want to check your answer, what will you do? You will multiply length into breadth and you will check whether it is really coming out to be 300 or not.
Yes.
Okay. So you can even check your answer. Okay, so let's take another question. A tabletop means this your study table, the top part of the table. The tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter. By 1 meter means 2 meter by 1 meter. 1 meter 50 centimeter. 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the area in square meters? Okay, find its area. Find its area in meters square. Okay, you have to find the area in meters square. That means you will not convert to centimeter. You have to convert centimeter to meter because you have to find the area in meters square. Right, children? You
Yes, ma'am.
understood the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is given by 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeters. So that means it's a rectangular shape of a tabletop. The longer side is the length, the shorter side is the breadth. So please write your first statement, length of the tabletop.
I got the answer.
Very good, Neha. Length of the tabletop is equal to given 2 meters. Breadth of the tabletop is how much, Neha?
Breadth of the tabletop is 1.5,
Yes.
1 meter 50 centimeter, which
Yes.
is 1.5 meters.
1.5 meter. Yes, Trilokya, you understood this? We
Yes.
converted 50 centimeter to meters. So that became, when we multiply, this is, when we convert it to meters, so this will be divided by 100.
Okay.
And so we get it as 0.5 meter. So 1 meter plus 0.5 meter is 1.5 meter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you have to find the area. Neha, not Neha, Trilokya. Trilokya, now you tell me. How will we find the area of a rectangular top now?
Ma'am, the length multiplied by the breadth.
Length multiplied by breadth. So what it is?
2 meters multiplied by 1.5 meters.
Yes.
Mm,
And what do we get then?
3 meters.
3 meters. Okay. Don't be doubtful. You have pen, paper, you can quickly multiply and check. Okay. So it's 3 meters square. So area of the tabletop is now, you can just conclude your answer. This implies area of the tabletop is 3 meters square. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you all have understood this area sums. Yes, Neha, Harshit, Trilokya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is all we have done for today. So please revise these sums, okay? Okay, I'll give you some homework questions also, and you have your Sunday test also live. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please revise these questions, and the worksheet which I had given yesterday, I had given only 5 sums out of that. So today you will do the remaining 5 of that. Okay, you will do question number 5. Question number 5 in that worksheet, and 7, 8, 9 till 10. Right? Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Question 5, question 6, question 7, question 8, and question 10. Okay? Homework, the worksheet which was shared yesterday. You all have that, no? It's in a group.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
the sums which were not done yesterday, so you will take it as a homework for today. Okay, the next 5 sums. Question 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children, thank you for today. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Have
Bye.
a nice day.
Yes. Somebody saying something? Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, beta. Bye, everyone.